Good morning, everyone. I Shifali from Dips Bloomingdale's. In a previous video, we have discussed about simple present tense. Today, we will do present continuous tense. Present continuous tense are the tenses which are used when the work is being done in some continuity. What is the recognition of present continuous tense? It is, am, are plus root verb. We add ing with the root verb. So it will be subject plus is, am, are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. For positive sentences in present continuous tense, we use helping verb is, am, are plus root verb plus ing. Let's see positive sentences. Let's see the examples. He, she, it is reading a novel. If you talk about the second person, you, we, they are reading a novel. And if we discuss about first person, I am reading a novel. In negative sentences, we add not, is not, are not, am not. He, she, it is not reading a novel. You, we, they are not reading a novel. In same, for interrogatives, we keep the helping verbs in the first. Is he, she, it reading a novel? And the sentence ends with the question mark. Are you, we, they reading a novel? Question mark. Am I reading a novel? Question mark. Uses of present continuous tense. Let's see when we use present continuous tense. First is to describe an action going on at the time of speaking. Means when we are speaking at that time some work or some action is being done. For example, the boys are reading their books. A meeting is going on in the office. Second is to describe an action in progress, though not necessarily occurring at the time of speaking. Means action is in process. It's not compulsory that it is being done at the time of speaking. For example, I am learning to drive. It's my usual habit. That doesn't mean it is being done now only. What are you doing these days? Third is to describe an action or event that is to take place definitely in the near future. Means it hasn't happened yet but is going to happen soon. For example, he is coming tomorrow. I am leaving by the next train. Last is to describe a habitual action which continues in spite of warning. Means you have warned in past but still then that habitual action is being done. For example, you are always telling lies. She is constantly avoiding studies. I hope present tense is clear to you all. Tomorrow we will do present perfect tense. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.